Welcome to this tutorial on optimizing your Dell mouse experience using Dell Display and Peripheral Manager, or DDPM. To get started, select the mouse from the DDPM home screen to open the overview page, where you can access settings and customization options. Here you'll see an image of your device along with details like the device model name, firmware version, connectivity status, battery level, and tabs such as mouse settings and button customization. In the Mouse Settings tab, you can set your primary mouse button to either left or right. Adjust the DPI settings to control cursor sensitivity. Higher DPI means faster cursor movement with less effort. To customize mouse button actions, navigate to the Button Customization tab. The customizable buttons are highlighted on the UI. Click the button on the mouse image and assign specific actions to each button. Customize actions globally to work across all apps or make them application-specific, where each assigned action executes only in that specific app. For this, on the Application Settings tab, you can assign application-specific actions to the buttons. These customized actions are triggered only when the selected application is in use. To reset your mouse to its original settings, click Restore the default actions to return all button assignments to their factory settings. Whenever an update is available for DDPM or the mouse firmware, the gear icon will light up. Navigate to the Updates tab and follow the prompts to easily download and install the latest updates, keeping the DDPM application and mouse up to date. With these simple steps, you can customize your Dell mouse to work seamlessly with your device. Whether you're a gamer, a productivity expert, or just someone who wants to get the most out of their mouse, DDPM has got you covered. Download the free software at dell.com/support/DDPM and elevate your work today.